Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to add music or audio to your website in Peachwills. Let's dive in. Okay, first off, let's add audio. To do that, let's go to the cube with plus icon and go to media, and you'll see audio option here. So let's click on it and let's go back. And we have our audio here. And let's put it back into this block. Okay, there we go. And let's increase the size to 100 pixel to 100 pixel, and let's change the radius to 999. There we go, we have a nice round shape. And let's change the color to black, but if we change it to black, icon is not visible anymore. Let's change the color of the icon as well, so let's make it white. There we go, so we have audio icon here. But how are we going to add the audio or change the settings for it? So let's check out the right panel for it. So we have source as first option, and we have two options for uploading audio. First off, upload from your computer. Next up, we have the URL, so you can just add some music from YouTube or Vimeo links. But let's go ahead and upload from our computer. So select file, go to cloud with arrow. So let's click on it. It's selected now. So now we have audio in our website. So let's change the settings though. Autoplay. So autoplay allows you to play it automatically or not. So let's choose yes and let's go preview. Touching, but it is working. But let's go with no option. I have to click on the icon in order to make it play. So next up, we have loop option. So loop will allow you to play the audio and loop or not. So if you click on no, the music will stop when it ends. But if you click yes, the audio or the music will play in loop. But let's go ahead and choose no. Next up, we have the progress. So progress allows you to choose when this music starts. So let's say the start of the music is kind of boring. We want it to start in the middle. So let's go ahead and move our slider to 50%. And next up, we have the volume. So let's say someone is visiting your website, and let's say this is autoplay. It will be quite distracting for people who's visiting your website or quite disturbing. So you can change the volume here. If the music is low as well, you can set it to 100, but let's keep it at 25%. Next up, we have the leave option. So when you move your mouse, it will pause or continue. So you can change this setting or when you change the page. Next up, we have the audio style. So we can change the icon video, we can make it GIF or change the icons here. So also you can change the cursor. So cursor is set to pointer right now, and currently my cursor is pointer. This is default pointer, and this is default. So this will allow you to change the cursor when you hover onto this icon. So let's turn off the autoplay and show. So it's set to default, and when I hover, my cursor is not changing. And let's make it back to pointer and let's check it out. Boom. Easy as that. So next off, we have the icon. So we have pre-made options here. So none, no icon here. Play pause, which will add the play and pause icons here. Next off, we have the waveform, which is this. Next off, we have speaker. So for example, when the music is turned off, there's like a line, but when you click on it, you can see it. Next up, we have the custom option. So let's add a play icon. So I have this GIF, and since we can make anything we want as an icon, so for the play icon, let's make the thumbnail we used on our previous video. And for the pause, let's make it this GIF. And let's see what happens if we preview. So let's start it. So this is play, this is stop. So when you click on this, music will stop. But let's go back to waveform. So we can change the color of the icons or the pre-made icons we have. So let's say we have the waveform and we want it to be black or the red, or let's make it green like Spotify. And we can change the background and style option. So let's go with white. So this is how you add audio to your website. And